Hollow Man.
Oh, Hollow Man?
There's nothing bad, but it's all bad. So.
He's a guy.
He's no idea.
Yo,
What?
when the doorbell rings,
I got it.
What's the matter? What about when the doorbell rings?
what's wrong?
Give him a cigarettes.
I thought you had the didn't you pick up the pack?
Something over there.
The fuck are you doing? Are they in your room?
I don't think so, bro.
By the way.
By the way.
What's
Did
up,
you
guys?
have any more?
Hey guys.
What's up, homie? What's up, homie? Shit, this was way too much pasta.
A little hot.
What? Are you you're keeping Hollow Man?